Good morning, everyone. Today I'm just going to speak about the benefits of taking almonds. Almond is basically a seed, it's not a nut, what we already presume to. It was one of the earliest trees which were there in the older civilization. If you can see, even 5,000 years old, this almond tree was there, and people used to grow in their own house. They have unearthed this finding from Jordan. So the benefits of almond has benefits in a lot of other situations. Almond and cholesterol, if you see, almond has high unsaturated cholesterol fatty acids. In 2005 they did a study with taking almonds, and they found out that it increases the vitamin E level, and it reduces the sugars, it reduces cholesterol, increases the HDL, which is a good cholesterol. So they had advised 45 grams of almonds per day, and for 40, which is equivalent to 40 nuts. And this study was done which proved that its benefit in lowering cholesterol. Then it also has benefit in reducing cancer. In 2015 there was a study which was done which showed 2 to 3 times lower risk of breast cancer in patients who took peanuts, walnuts and almond. Again, for the heart, if you can see, in 2014 there was a study which showed that almonds increased antioxidants. As you know, it can increase vitamin E level, reduces blood pressure and increases the blood flow. So the study was done with patients taking 50 grams of almond per day for 4 weeks, and they found that the vitamin E levels was very high when it was taken, almonds were taken. So roughly, if you take 1 ounce of almond, which is equal to 28.4 grams or 23 almonds, it will increase the vitamin E level by 7.27 milligram, which is equal to half of the daily requirement. And again, vitamin E reduces the risk of Alzheimer's disease. It's a very good antioxidant, you all know. In 2016, there was a review article which showed that almond intake increased vitamin E and reduced cancer. Again, when looking into almonds and sugar, in 2011, 20 people with diabetes ate 60 grams of almond for 12 weeks. The result was there was a reduction in the sugar and the cholesterol level. You all know 1 ounce of 28.4 grams is there, and it can produce 76.5 milligrams of magnesium. Magnesium is one of the very important minerals which is needed. Along with magnesium, you also have calcium, manganese, copper, vitamin K, protein and zinc, and all of them are in almond, which can improve the bone health. Almond intake can also reduce the weight. It reduces the carbohydrate intake by the persons who take almonds, and it increases the protein intake, and it's a healthy fat. There's a lot of fiber. There have been a lot of studies done. In 2015 there was a study done which showed that almond intake reduces weight. Not only that, it is a very nutritious substitute. 1 ounce of it, 23 almonds will give an energy of 164 kilocalories. The only risk for almond intake is allergy. So otherwise, if you don't have allergy and if you don't have any renal problems where you can't take much of protein, you can definitely take almonds. There was a recent study published by Dr. Mohan. They enrolled 352 participants of the age of 25 to 65 years, and almond treated group had improved beta cell function, reduced cholesterol and reduced insulin resistance. That means these patients had better insulin sensitivity, sugar levels came down, weight had come down, the BMI had come down, and waist circumference has come down. Even their consumption of carbohydrate became less. So with a lot of these studies, they used 28 grams of almond in their study. So 23 almonds is equal to 28 grams, which is a 1 ounce. So you can take from 23 almonds to 50 almonds per day. It's very, very beneficial. It gives 4 grams of fiber, 28 grams, and 15 essential nutrients are there. So it's a nutrition packed seed which is very, very helpful for the good health. So if you take 100 grams of almonds, which includes 90 almond seeds, it gives 1.5 gram of leucine, and there is a lot of talk about leucine. I'll talk about leucine in the next few YouTube uploads. So leucine is also an indirect way. An increase in leucine because of almond also reduces the weight. So take almonds as a good healthy snack, mid-meal snack, and have good health benefits due to almonds.